Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video as I've been waiting such a long time to actually make it. I live in the UK where the weather doesn't spoil us too often, so the whole June was literally horrible. The sun came just like last week, so I grabbed all of the tools and other stuff I bought for this makeover and started working on it. I love the final result as I already seen it. Of course, I'm recording this intro after everything is done. I just completely forgot to do it before as I was too excited and happy to spend time outside in the sun and start working on this makeover. And yeah, as you can see from the title of this video, today I will be working on my outdoor patio space. It's a really small area, but I thought it needs some love and attention, and I just wanted to have a space in my garden when I can just enjoy the week on sunshine over there, yeah? And so let me take you outside, I show you the before and explain a little bit more about this space. So that's the space I'm gonna work on today. So it's like a just little corner. There's one of the bedrooms here, there is extended kitchen here, and as you can see it's just one big mess. Everything is here. I got to some chairs, random chairs, Wellington boots, some weights, paints, old flower pots with dead flowers. I got a few new flowers to use them in this makeover. So yeah, I think I will start with cleaning this space. I borrowed some pressure washer, so I'm gonna clean all this ground as well. I'm not gonna fix or put anything on it at the moment, or at least this year, but at least I will give it a good wash. I've started with moving everything away. I got rid of all of the weeds and dead plants. I sweep the floor before I start working with the pressure washer. I know this space needs more than just a good clean, but for this year I'm going to leave it how it is. Maybe in the future we will fix this floor and make it all even. So the floor is clean. It wasn't the most glamorous thing to do. I feel like I'm just covered with all this dirt all on my face. It was only because when you got the cracks on the ground, everything was just splashing back to me, but I enjoyed it. It was quite satisfying to see the dirt going. So now I'm gonna leave it, especially the walls, few minutes to let them dry, and then I start painting. So this house was actually painted outside last year. Before it was horrible green color. After 1 year, the paint still looks fresh and quite clean in most of the places. The dirty spots and areas I've decided to paint again with the same white paint we've used before. Because I was in such a good mood for painting, I decided to also paint this wall. It's a slightly high wall which separates the house away from the garden. I love painting as this is the job where you can quickly see the results, and in this case it was the right move to do as it changed the look of this area. Now looks much nicer and fresher. Okay, so I've bought these like LED lights which are powered by the solar panel here. I think I got 12 meters of them. I also bought some hooks and obviously like a screws and these plastic pins to go inside the wall to hold it better. I started with marking the places where I want the hooks to go, and then using a drill I made the holes. I screwed the hooks in and start hanging my lights. I went for warm color as I thought they will look super cozy at night. These lights are made for outdoor, so I'm safe to leave them to hang for most of the month. Good morning and welcome to day number 2. Yesterday my expectations were bigger than my energy. At the end of the day I was so tired, literally went to sleep. I think all this painting and working in the sun just made me so tired. But today is number 2 and I think I should be able to finish it off. I only got a few more things to do around in here and then I start decorating. I finished recording yesterday a bit randomly, but that wasn't the case really. I was filming something else for you, but my camera went overheated and it stopped working and literally didn't even save the footage I already recorded, so I was so upset. But there wasn't that much anyway. I'll show you today what I was talking about. So yesterday I was showing you these little shelves. I was telling to you that they are from IKEA. There was actually 3 different sizes of them. They didn't have the ones I wanted in stock, so at the end I decided to choose those ones. They were super affordable. I put them together yesterday and we screwed them to the wall. You can move them anyway. So today I start first with putting this wooden trellis on the wall. I got 2 of them. And I also got those wall baskets and I think I got 5 of them. So the plan is to put on this wall one horizontally and on this wall diagonally. So let's see how this one goes. I've decided to hang 2 of these baskets on this wall. I started measuring the width of the wall and the width of each basket. I wanted to hang them at the same distance from each end of the wall. I've used a level to make sure the basket will be hanging straight. And then using the same tools I've used with hanging the lights, I've drilled the holes. This time, instead of hooks, I'm using long screws, which I leave slightly out to be able to hang baskets on them. And now one of my favorite part, which is planting the flowers. I started with filling the baskets which are going on the wall, and then I've put even more flowers to smaller pots. Okay, now it's the favorite part. Decorating. Most of the items I'm using in this makeover are from IKEA or they are thrifted. I of course leave the links for those items or similar ones down below. I've started with unpacking the chairs and the table. Both of these items are from IKEA. I've decided to go with the black finish, which I think looks smart and you can always play with colorful accessories. Green cushions for more comfort. This little lantern is actually thrifted, which I thought looked super cute. For next shelf, I went with again thrifted basket, which I fill with some gardening essentials. To cover this clean but still ugly floor, I decided to go budget friendly and use the straw sun mat. I'm really happy how it turned out. Keep in mind that I wasn't going for any extreme makeover. As I said before, there isn't that many nice and sunny days in England, and I would probably have to hide most of this stuff inside anyways. But I think I've created a really cute little corner where I can enjoy my dinner or invite few friends for barbecue. During the night, it looks super cozy and romantic. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. I had so much fun. It was nice to spend some time outside and take you to the different backgrounds just for a change. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video and how the patio turned out, make sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more makeovers and DIY projects. And for now, thank you so much for watching, your support, and I will see you in my next video.